Hey, welcome to Scoop's Garage today. Today we're going to talk about etching chrome. As you can see that I've already etched the battery case on the side of my Honda Rebel. And I call it ghosted, but it's actually a smoked chrome. And I'm going to go through the way that I did it today. I actually had the decal made. Okay, and then I taped it in the correct spot and taped everything off. Then I went to Harbor Freight and I bought this gun right here for less than $20. And I'm using Harbor Freight 70 grit abrasive media aluminum oxide. And you can see I think it's 0.008, so it'd be 8 thousandths diameter, and it does an excellent job on smoking. So anyway, to make it quick, here you go. You just tape it off and sandblast it. Hold your sandblaster back far and start soft. You want to start soft. And then as you want to increase the smoke look, you move in. That's a quick tip from Scoop here today. Thank you. Please watch and share. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you guys next time.